What is up, everybody? Here we are with part 58 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Principle 58 here. And this one's a little bit interesting. He says that we all are a person, or rather, we are rather a soul with a body instead of a body with a soul. That our inner world, our subconscious mind, our mind, all that kind of stuff is a different divine world, and that energy, that kind of being, is where we should go to transform our lives. It's an inward experience instead of an outward experience. Now, he has an interesting metaphysical perspective on like how the whole world works. I feel like it's very similar to Stuart Wilde, this belief that we're all parts of God and all kind of connects through these bodies. It reminds me of a dualist kind of perspective in philosophy that really gets back to Descartes and people like that. At least I believe that's the case. I could be wrong about that. But when you have that kind of take on reality, it's a little bit odd. It's a little bit hard compared to a scientific perspective. But I think you can take it metaphorically if you want to go from a really sciencey viewpoint of it. Or you can take it literally. That's up to you. Whatever you want to see it as that helps you, that's what you should do, okay? So in this one, he's really, to me, like the way I interpret it, is to say that a lot of people try to go out and change like their body, for example, in the way to change their life. So they think, okay, in order for me to lose weight, I need to go out and I need to work out more. So I just need to go get my body to work out more. I need to take in the right foods. I need to do this. And that's how I'm suddenly going to gain that kind of skill. And the truth is that that's not really the way to pull that off. I mean, see, you can't really do that without changing your subconscious mind first. You really need to alter the subconscious mind, alter those beliefs, those thoughts. Otherwise, you really cannot transform a lot of your life because you keep thinking, oh, you know, like I'm trying to transform my life. I'm trying to transform my body, but why do I just not want to? Why do I have this drive to have the wrong foods, to not work out, those kind of things? Because it's a habit in the subconscious mind. You really have to change the mind, otherwise you can't change your reality. So I think that's a pretty powerful idea here, that we can really change a lot of our reality based on changing our subconscious mind. Using our affirmations like every day in every way, I am getting better and better. Using affirmations like that to really alter and change our lives in the direction we want to. That's at least how I would take this. That's part 58 for you guys. I will see you next time with part 59. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed.